So it's dinner time. Starving can only mean one thing. CleanEatsDelivery.com. So here we go. I mean, you can microwave it if you like, but got my steak tips, broccoli, and some sweet potatoes cut up nice and fine. Again, I don't like it microwaved. I'd rather have it right in there. There's no problem with that, but this comes out nice and tasty. Put it for like a nice 15 minutes. Set it and forget it. All right, the bell just went off. Time to eat. That's what I'm talking about. This is what Clean Eats Delivery is all about. All right, and here we go. Man, does that look good. CleanEatsDelivery.com. These are the meals I'm talking about.